Object is placed at a distance r from the pole of the first surface, then the real image is formed at a distance r from the pole of the second surface. The refractive index mu of the sphere will be equal to. If I consider this as the sphere, this as the principal axis, the object is situated somewhere over here at a distance r from the first surface, and the real image is formed at a distance, the final image, the real image is formed at a distance of r from the other surface. So we have to find out the refractive index of the sphere. Let the refractive index of the sphere be equal to mu, and let us assume that the first medium over here is air, so the refractive index will be equal to 1. We will substitute the formula of the refraction at single surface, that is mu 2 by v minus mu 1 by u over here will be equal to mu 2 minus mu 1 divided by r. So basically mu 2 over here is equal to mu, the final distance I do not know the value, mu 1 over here is equal to 1, the object distance over here is equal to minus r, mu 2 minus mu 1, that is mu minus 1 divided by r. So over here mu by v will be equal to, it will be equal to mu minus 1 divided by r minus 1 divided by r. Okay, if I take this on the right hand side. So basically mu by v will be equal to mu minus 2 divided by r. So v will be equal to mu r divided by mu minus 2. So let us say the image after the first refraction is formed somewhere over here at a distance of v. Now this image formed will act as an object for the second surface. So it will pass through the surface over here and the final image will be formed somewhere over here. Now this distance will be equal to 2r minus v. The distance of the object over here will be equal to 2r minus v, that is equal to 2r minus v over here. V over here is equal to mu r divided by mu minus 2, which will be equal to 2 mu r minus 4r minus mu r divided by mu minus 2. So this is the distance of the object. So the distance of the object will be equal to 2 mu r minus mu r is equal to mu r minus 4r divided by mu minus 2. So basically the distance of the object will be equal to, if I take r common, it will be equal to mu minus 4 divided by mu minus 2. This is the distance of the object. Let us again substitute the formula of the refraction at a single surface, and let us find out the value of mu. Mu 2 by v minus mu 1 by u is equal to mu 2 minus mu 1 divided by r. Now let us substitute the formula carefully. Now the final image is formed in air, so the second refractive index over here will be equal to 1. The final image is formed at a distance of r, so the v over here is equal to r. Mu 1 is equal to mu. The object is situated in the first medium, so it is equal to mu, and over here the object distance will be negative of this value. It will be equal to negative r mu minus 4 into mu minus 2. Mu minus 2 will be in the numerator. It will be equal to negative mu minus 4, mu minus 2 will be in the numerator. It will be equal to mu 2 minus mu 1, that is 1 minus mu divided by r. Now the r, since I am considering this surface, the r will be negative over here. So r will be equal to negative r. Okay, r over here will be equal to negative r. So 1 by r will be equal to minus over here will be equal to plus mu into mu minus 2 divided by r into mu minus 4. It will be equal to mu minus 1 divided by r. Now I will cancel out the values over here. R and r will get cancelled out. When I cross multiply this part, it will be equal to mu minus 4 plus mu square minus 2 mu over here minus 2 mu will be equal to, if I cross multiply this part, it will be equal to mu minus 1 into mu minus 4. So basically it will be equal to mu square minus mu minus 4. It will be equal to, when I open the bracket on the right hand side, it will be equal to mu square minus 5 mu plus 4. So over here mu square and mu square will get cancelled out. Minus 5 mu, when I shift it on the left hand side, it will be equal to minus 5 mu minus mu, which is equal to plus 5 mu minus mu, which is equal to plus 4 mu. It will be equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. So the refractive index will come out to be 2. So the refractive index of the sphere comes out to be 2, which is option number B.